about you. You move it right, wanna see what's up under. Then back it up, beep beep like a trucker. Nice thighs, nice waist, and you know I can't forget about your face. But don't none of that matter, I'm about to make your pockets better. Girl, I just wanna see you strip right now, cause it's late, babe. Girl, I just wanna see you strip, girl, take your time with it. Girl, I just wanna see you strip. Goddamn, you sexy for me. Goddamn, you sexy, baby. Goddamn, you sexy. Girl, I just wanna see you. I got my shit.
Hi guys, so I'm putting this on YouTube to put on my Tumblr. Anyways, made cupcakes with my cousin. Made funfetti cupcakes. And yeah, so let's see how they turned out. Well, they're over there. And yeah. Anyways, well, I just want to make a quick shout out to my DAGF. I miss you. Jen, Noelle, Alan, Marvin, and Chris. Cool. Anyways, not like you guys don't see this. Oh yeah, and Kayla and Kim, and yeah. I'll see you guys tomorrow before work, most likely. If not, it's fine. Okay, well, let's go.
By someone else, I could tell by the way you carry yourself. If you let me, here's what I'll do. I'll take care of you. I've loved and I've lost.
I've asked about you and they told me things, but my mind didn't change and I still feel the same. What's a life with no fun? Please don't be so ashamed. I've had mine, you've had yours, we both know. We know they won't get you like I will. My only wish is I die real, cause that truth hurts and those lies heal. And you can't sleep thinking that he lies still, so you cry still, tears all in a pillowcase. Big girls, I'll get a little taste out, pushing me away so I give her space out. Dealing with a heart that I didn't break. I'll be there for you, I would care for you. I keep thinking you just don't know. Trying to run from that, say you're done with that. On your face, girl, it just don't show. When you're ready, just say you're ready. When all the baggage just ain't as heavy and the party's over, just don't forget me. We'll change the pace and we'll just go slow. You won't ever have to worry. You won't ever have to hide. You've seen all my mistakes, so look me in my eyes.
Cause if you let me, here's what I'll do. I'll take care of you. I've loved and I've lost.
So like, my cupcake came out. I put ice cream on top of it. You should taste it. Okay, we're gonna make whipped cream and put it on. Okay, bye.
Make it nasty, make it nasty. Drop it on the bitch, make it nasty. Make it nasty, make it nasty. Pop it on the bitch, make it nasty. Yeah, bitch, make it nasty. Tongue down the throat while the other bitch gagging. Bottles in the basket, pills in the plastic. She gon' do drugs, but we don't do acid. Fucking on the mattress, hit the best spring. Ain't nothing better, it's the best thing. Got a China bitch, straight from Beijing. Pussy so tight.